Welcome to another episode of Unique Stays in India, and for this episode I've come to Guhantara Cave Resorts in Bangalore, near Bangalore. And as the name suggests, the uniqueness lies in the fact that this is a cave resort. So basically you will be living inside a cave. It's a man-made cave, it's not an original cave. And so you can almost feel like you are in a cave, you are staying in a cave. So that's the unique thing. And this property, this resort is basically a picnic spot. You have big as grass ground, you have zob ball, you have trampoline, you have a lot of activities, indoor activities as well, and a lot of pathways to walk. The swimming pool, there's a whole big area, I think it's an amphitheater, to dance. They have rain dance, which happens around in the afternoon by 3 o'clock, and just besides that there's a fake waterfall with nice blue waters and a bridge to cross it. So it's basically a picnic spot, but they also provide accommodation, let's have a quick room tour. This is the door through which we come in. The latch used over here is quite traditional, it's not the modern one. Then you have ropes and more wood, and this is how the room looks like. It's quite spacious. My voice may echo because it's literally we're in a cave. Maybe man-made, but still a cave. But the key goes in here, small space, phone, switchboard. Now all the switchboards have a wooden cover. So if you see anything of this sort, you can open and see what's inside, probably switches. The beautiful part is that you have a cave painting, which is completely modern man-made, but it looks beautiful, and the tube light is exactly on it. Now the tube light also is inside the bamboo, it's not on the wall, so that's again beautiful. Twin bed, you also get double king bed or queen bed. Switchboard, again this black thing over here is not wood or furniture, it's stone or cement probably. You can sit here or keep your stuff. Now this small plant which you have is prehistoric. It's completely dried and someone has painted it, so it looks beautiful. You have a cave painting again over here, a lot of cave paintings. And this wall is made of mud actually. So if you see, the roof is also made of mud. It doesn't fall off, so even if you're asleep, don't worry, it won't fall. It's kind of a paka construction. So yes, and then you have a pot. One pot is over there. Basically there's a light inside, and the light comes out of the holes, hanged by proper ropes. Here you have a table to work. This kind of feels like a not very, but a little old setup where you can keep a keyboard or I don't know what. Here you have few books to read, like the journey and the property photos. You also have the menu card rather. So if you want to order something for your room service, they also service you with alcohol. So yeah, you have the menu for that also. Both are slightly overpriced, but it's okay. Food is not that tasty, but okay. Oh, everything's okay. You get 2 bottles of water, which is already empty now. For one person, this is fine, but for 2 people, half liter of bottle, I'm not sure. A mirror with a very good light, electric kettle with coffee and tea sachets. Unfortunately, there's no sugar sachets, which you can definitely get once you call the room service. Here you have a small cupboard where you can put your clothes in, quite spacious. And then you have another door to get into the bathroom. This is a wash basin, another mirror with powerful light, not powerful actually. This again is made of, I don't know, it's ladi or cement, but it's hard construction. Everything is black in here. The complete thing is black, and the upper part is of mud. Stool, bucket, rod to hang things. You get a shower gel and a body gel, or basically soap. A shower over here, exhaust fan, and a black commode, which is difficult to find and sit if there is no light. Speaking of which, the light goes over here sometimes and kind of comes back in seconds, but it does go. Yes, the TV. The TV is not an LCD or LED, but this I think is a plasma or TFT at max. So it's pretty old design, and this kind of moves, and it's encased in a wooden thing. Here below you have a mini bar or a mini fridge rather, which is kind of smelly. I have not opened it. 2 people can sit on the chair, the table. The food doesn't come with the room. You can order it. TV remote, AC remote, everything. And here you have a small, beautiful, tiny garden. You can go out. You can just open this and go out, or else you can just watch it from here. A small garden. So this room is actually the most basic room you have in this property. Apart from this, there are 2 more types that are obviously way costlier than this is. In that, you will get bathtub, sort of an earthy bathtub, and you also have I think sofa set. Basically, they are suites, and this is a room. So that's a difference. So how to reach this place? This is near Bangalore. So first of all, you have to get down to Bangalore and then walk to the metro station, the Majestic metro station. Take the metro to Silk Institute. It comes on platform number 4, and there's another train which also comes on platform number 4, which will just leave you halfway, called Yelchanahalli. So you have to take the metro for Silk Institute, which will drop you to Silk Institute metro station, obviously. From there you can hire an Ola rickshaw or cab, or however you want to go. It's 10 kilometers from Silk Institute. So how was my experience in this stay property? I would say meh to okay. The rooms are spacious, they're good, but it's a little outdated because you can feel it. One reason may be that they wanted to go with the theme and keep it as it is, but the TV is not an LCD or LED. The set-top box was a little flimsy, it went off and on, and the light over here goes. So if you are here at the night, when the light goes, it's pitch dark. You can't see any single thing. And the light goes, within a second it comes back, but it kind of happens. It happened like 5 to 10 times when I was here. So that's one. Food is okay, room service is good. Again, network, you will have network issues over here. Mine is Vodafone and there's almost no network. Sometimes it comes and goes. There is a Wi-Fi in the corridor over here. Overall, I would give it a 2 or 3 out of 5. That's about my experience here. So yeah, so I'll end this video over here. We'll meet you in the next episode in a new property. Bye.